everyone, in this video we will show you how to print the most popular tumbler in 2023, which is 40-ounce tumbler. Firstly, I'll show you how it packs. Okay, you can see it was packed with an individual white box. Okay, open the box. The will has a rubber base, so after printing you can put it at the to the bottle, and a plastic straw, and the tumbler with an individual PP bag. Okay, this is how it packs. And next, I'll introduce you more details about the LOPO's 40-ounce tumbler compared with the original tumbler. Okay. Firstly, you can see we have two different types of handle. This is a stainless steel handle, and this is plastic with a rubber sheet handle. So if you use your hand to hold it, this one is more hand-friendly because it's soft and nice. This one, why we have two types of handle is this one is stainless steel handle is heat resistant. That means that it can allow you to put the whole tumbler into the oven for printing. And the rubber one, if you want to put the whole tumbler into the oven, then you need to remove this handle. So this handle is removable. You can see here has a screw and here has a screw. You can use a screwdriver to get it off very easily. Okay, then you will be okay to put them into the oven for print. Okay, so inward with this handle, it might be better for industrial use, which means you have a convention oven. Then your worker just need to wrap the paper and put into the oven. That's it. And for this, it might be better for crafters who has a tumbler press like we have it here today. So because this handle is more, as I said, more hand friendly. Yeah, okay. And next, I'll introduce you the difference between LOPO's 40-ounce tumbler and the original one in the market. Okay, as per our understanding, for a tumbler, the most important thing is whether it is leak-free. Yeah. Okay, so with this kind of opinion, then we updated this tumbler. So the main updated part will be at the cap. You can see this is the original one. It has two ways for you to drink, enjoy your drinks. Okay, first you can see here has a hole. Sorry, I need to take this out. Okay, and you can put the straw here, then you can enjoy the drinks. Or you can do it in this way. You can drink it directly from this hole. And you may already notice the difference. See, here if you use a straw, you put the straw in, then you can see there is a space. That means that the water or the drinks will be very easy to leak if you do it like this. But for the updated one which LOPO offer, you can see again, it's the same. You can enjoy your drinks in two ways. This is locked. You see, this is locked. So you can push it back, you can release it, and you can enjoy the drinks in this way. And after you enjoy the drinks, lock it. Or you can use a screw or a straw, put it in. You can see it is sealed very well here. That means that no matter you enjoy your drinks with a straw or in this way, it is leak-free. So this is the most important update that LOPO made for this 40-ounce tumbler. Okay, and hope my explanation is more clear with you and let you understand the 40-ounce tumbler which LOPO is offering. Okay, so next I will show you how to do the printing. Okay, let's do the printing demo. So first, what you need to do before printing is you need to take out the cap. Okay, and because this is plastic, okay, and to adjust the pressure of the tumbler press to make sure that your tumbler press is at the right pressure, you see. So we are using a Galaxy tumbler press on the 30-ounce heater. You can see we adjust at the end for the pressure because this heater is a little bit smaller of diameter than the compared with the diameter of the bottle. So if you need to do the printing, maybe you need to do it in this way and then switch it here, then you can do the full printing. Okay, later we will. So now the pressure has been set it up and we are ready to turn on the machine. Okay, so next step is turn on the machine and set the temperature and time. Okay, press this. So this is the first temperature, means standby temperature. Suggested one is 160 degrees. So we already set it. And then press set button again. This is the printing temperature. The suggested printing temperature is 175 degrees Celsius. Okay, and press set button again. It will go with time setting. So the suggested time is 20 seconds for multiple prints. If you only do one print like this here, right? You only do one print, then you need to adjust the time to 40 seconds. Because the first demo I will do is just for one timer prints. So I will adjust the time to 40 seconds. Okay, now we're ready to go. Okay, first printing we will do is with this stainless steel tumbler handle. Okay, and with these types of design, okay, and we do it in this way. So this design, you know, was an idea, and I noticed it when I was doing the travel in US market earlier this year, because I thought this is you know, when you do the drink, so all of the printed photos will be in front of you. Nobody will see it because this side is empty like this. So it makes me think that when you enjoy your drinks, then you will always see your family's photo. So this is the idea for the design. Okay. Okay, use heat tape to tape it well. Okay, and then put it inside in this way. Okay, and we need to switch it a little bit in this way to make sure it is the printing part is into the heater, and then we close the tumbler press, and now we're waiting for when it is ready. Okay, you can see the temperature is dropping, and then later it will goes up. Once the temperature reaches printing temperature, the time will start counting down. So the whole printing process will take about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, let's wait a little bit. Okay, now time is up, and let's see. Okay, get it out, and see, it looks really nice. Okay, and next we will go to print the bottom. Wow, it's hot, so I just leave it away, and we go to do the demo for the plastic handle and use a larger design. That means that it can do the full printing, almost full printing. Okay, and again the same, that you need to wrap the paper first. When you wrap the paper, I think maybe you will be more experienced than me, right? And make sure it's in the center, so the handle is in the center. First, you need to cut the design as edge as you can. See, do not leave any empty space. And secondly, when you located the paper, make sure the handle is in the center of the two ends. That will make your design to be located in the center of the whole, whole surface of the printing area. Okay, now I think it's ready to go, and we use heat tape. Use your hand to handle it, and use heat tape to tape one side, and another side. Okay, and now we're ready to go. So put it into the machine. And because we do full printing, so mostly we will need to do 2 times of printing. And now I need to reduce the time from 40 seconds to 20 seconds because we will do 2 times of printing. After 1 time printing, then we will need to rotation it. Okay, let's do it. Okay, you see this is not in the heater, so after the first time printing, we will need to rotate it to do the printing of here, like we did it for the 20-ounce tumbler. These tumblers, for printing of these tumblers. Okay, let's wait a little bit. Okay, the first print is done, and we need to rotate it to another side to make sure it's in the print is in the heater, and close it again. So with the temperature, you see the temperature is 175. With it to reduced to 170 degrees, and then close the handle. Okay, with it until it be dropped to 170 degrees. I mean from 175 to 170, and now we're ready to close it. Okay, so wait for another, I think about a minute, then the whole tumbler will be printed well. So the whole process will take for about, I think, 3 to 4 minutes, something like that. Okay, now we're almost done the printing, and let's see how it will look like. Okay, it's done, and we take it out. So usually I will take it off from the heat tape. Then you will see the prints. Okay, from corner. I think here is a little bit not printed very well, so maybe we need to leave a little bit more space. I think it's about 2 centimeters away from the handle. That will be good enough because you can see this line was printed very well. So that means leave about 2 minutes away from the handle. And no need to take the handle out. That will be the maximum printing area for the tumbler. Okay, and for this overall, it looks really nice. And this part is the same. Okay, this is it's the same. So you can see here was not printed very well. I think it's because it's too close to the handle. So leave for about 2 centimeters away from the handle. That will be the maximum printing area if you use a tumbler press to try to do the prints or full prints as bigger as you can. Okay, so we will update the templates and offer to you if you need. Okay, and next we will go to do the printing demo for the bottom. Now this is the design. Firstly, you need to use the scissor to cut the design as much as you can. Do not leave so much of the white border. That will help you to locate the design in the position of the tumbler where you would like to locate it. Okay, so it's done, and then we can locate it. Firstly, so I would like to locate it in the center. So it's like we are the family. Okay, and so this will help you to locate it the position. Okay, and use the heat tape. So it can do full printing actually, but this is just the partial printing. Okay, do full printing is the same. And another important thing is that this is our tumbler press. You see, you can see here is a little bit scratch. Why? It's because when I put this inside and close it, this part will be very easy to connect it by these metal parts, you see. So that will make the scratch on the surface of the tumbler. So that's why we suggest you to have a piece of this silicone pad if you're going to use our tumbler press. So put it here, and then locate the tumbler inside like this, and then close it. Okay, now it will protect the tumbler from scratching. Okay, another thing you can see that I already adjust the pressure. When we print the top, the pressure here is almost at the end. Yeah, because the bottom is with smaller diameter, so that's why you need to adjust the temperature, or not adjust the pressure. It's like in this area will be fine. Okay, you can like this. Okay, and you can test it with your hand, not very easy, but not so very hard to close it. That will be the good pressure for you to print. Okay, let's wait. Now it's Friday, and let's see the printing result. Okay, you see it prints well. Okay, and actually you can print from here to here with the full printing, and you just do one side and rotate it to another side. Okay, that's all for the printing demo, and we did partial printing and full printing and bottom printing today. So, and now let's make the finished products. First, get the cap, bag, and more importantly, you can see we offered with this rubber base, and you can peel off the sticker, use your nail, and then stick it at the bottom. Okay, a finished personalized tumbler is ready. Okay, and hope the printing demo will help you to understand how to print this 40-ounce tumbler. If you have any questions or tips, please do not hesitate to leave, and we will be really appreciated for any of your feedback. Thank you.